Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is March the 12th. Hope you're having a great day. So far it looks like I'm red, so I'm down by 2.77%. That's about 4,200. For the week I'm up by about 15.84%, which is about 20,000. For the month I'm still down by about 16%, which is about 28,800. And 3 months up by about 14.2%, which is about 18,300. For the year I'm up by about 66.71%, which is about 59k. So I want to talk about some penny stocks, and one specifically, CTRM, Castor Maritime. They did have some news recently, and I wanted to touch base on those. Quick reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Always do your own due diligence, and when investing in the stock market, make sure you are very aware that the stock market can go up and down, and penny stocks for that matter, they're very risky, so make sure you mitigate your risks accordingly. So this company, I've touched base on it a while back, but I wanted to provide one short video with why I think you should consider having it in your watch list. I did add it in my portfolio just because I felt like it has some potential, and it has actually returned some good returns on my end. So let's talk about Castor Maritime, CTRM. So currently at 0.97. This is a good buying zone if I was to add more, but I'm not planning to add. But for folks who want to start building their account, mostly the beginners who are thinking of looking for some penny stocks which have shown some tremendous growth over the last couple of months with just really small or minimal downturn compared to others. This is one of them, and for the day you can see they're just down by about 1.46%. For the week they're up 8.26%. For the month they're up by 0.45%. 3 months they're up by about 476%, and for the year they're up by about 36.72%. So currently my position is 750 shares, average cost 0.369, and I'm up by 163%. You can see the volume right now is pretty high, 20 million, market cap of 530 million. Not a big cap company, but what's in the news that kind of made me want to put up this video? I'll just share that shortly, but just remember, in a few days, on the 23rd, they'll have the earnings. So just make sure you're aware that when earnings is approaching, it's very risky to even buy stocks, because sometimes consumer sentiment doesn't correlate with good news or bad news. It can go the opposite. So it's just one of those risky things. So if you're thinking of adding this, you might just need to deploy a little bit of cash, not a lot, and just buy a few and then buy after earnings, depending on your preference. So they had some news which I would like to share. So Castor Maritime announces new vessel acquisition and the delivery of MT Wonder Polaris. So the acquisition is expected to be consummated by taking delivery of the vehicle sometime between the second and third quarter of this year, and subject to the satisfaction of certain customary closing conditions. The company announced on March 11th that it took the delivery of MT Wonder Polaris, the 2005 Korean-built Aframax LR2 tanker it had agreed to acquire, as previously announced on February the 11th. So you can see they have a contract with a minimum duration of about 1 year at a minimum gross daily high of 15k, and this takes them to a total of 14 vessels. They've probably doubled the vessels for the last 12 months, I'll say, and this is kind of like a good sign with Biden putting up some news on the vaccine. I think we should expect a lot of businesses to continue shipping stuff, dry bulk stuff, and this is one of the companies that may benefit when things start getting to normal. Just ask yourself, if things are looking really bad with the pandemic, and they still manage to acquire as many vessels. What about when things get back to normal? The demand will be going up. I see this stock going past $1.50 in the next few months. So let me know in the comments section how many shares you have for this company, if you think it's a good addition, or if what the risks you see to holding it, as well as subscribe to the channel. Also remember to turn on the notification, because sometimes when I upload a video you won't get notified even though you've subscribed. So just remember to turn on the notifications, and let's be green, be safe. Thank you so much for reaching this far. See you on the next one. Bye.